Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Raya Lintang Alungenasi with student ID 2025-32015 from the Information System Study Program. Okay, the first step is to click the variable tab in the bottom left corner, then fill it with variable names as x1, x2, x3, and y, and all set to numeric type with 8 and decimal 0. And for the labels are x1, the x1 is for motivasi tugas, x2 is for kemampuan kerja, x3 is for budaya kerja, dan y is for produktivitas kerja. And make sure to all measures set to scale. For the y is set to target. Next, click the data view tab and type all the data row by row according to the provided dataset. Then open the Analyze menu, then click the regression and linear. Enter Y to dependent and X1, X2, X3 to independent. Then click the statistic, click the estimate, model fit, descriptive, and Durbin-Watson, then continue. Then open the plots, click for the Y is Z and X is spread, and click the histogram, then continue and OK. For the output, based on the descriptive statistic, the mean of produktivitas kerja is 45.80 with a small standard deviation of 3.385, indicating that the data is relatively homogeneous. In the correlation table, x1 and x2 show a very strong and significant correlation with y, while x3 has a weak and insignificant correlation with a significance value of 0.161, which exceeds 0.05. The model summary show R equals 0.981, indicating a very strong multiple correlation, and R2 are 0.962, meaning x1, x2, and x3 together explain 96% of the variation in y, with the remaining 3.8% explained by the other vector. The Durbin-Watson value of 1.617 is close to 2, indicating no autocorrelation in the model. From the coefficient table, every 1 point increase in motivasi tugas raise produktivitas kerja by 0.481, making it the most dominant predictor with a beta value of 0.721. Every 1 point increase in beta kemampuan kerja raise produktivitas kerja by 0.282. Meanwhile, budaya kerja has a very small effect of 0.044 and is not as significant with a value of 0.423, exceeding 0.05. Overall, the model performed very well with R2 equals 86.2%, and the variable that significantly influence produktivitas kerja are motivasi tugas and kemampuan kerja, while budaya kerja doesn't have a significant effect.